Centerpiece for everyone's ego. I could be so much more, but the world won't let me be myself tonight. Break the rules of the bullshit game and find somebody else to blame it on. Oh, let me be myself tonight. Don't you know you can't be trusted? And don't you know you? Let's roll, let's get out of Hicksville. Take stock of what they say. The sky is so much clearer.
Ça c'est con ça.
Let's get out of Hicksville. Take stock of what they say. The sky is so much clearer on the other side. Anyway. I'm changing minds tonight. Wake up and see the scenes behind closed doors. You're all asleep inside. Get on the back of the daily argument. Tell the cunts in the horses of parliament. Clean up your lights, get it right. Don't you know you can't be trusted? Don't you know you? Let's roll, let's get out of Hicksville. Take stock of what they say. Sky is so much clearer on the other side. Anyway. Let's roll, let's get out of Hicksville. Take stock of what they say. The sky is so much clearer on the other side. Anyway. The sky is so much clearer on the other side. Anyway. The sky is so much clearer on the other side of Hicksville. They're gonna tell you you're gonna pay too high a price and try to convince you you gotta play it safe this time. They're gonna work you. They're gonna try to wear you thin. They wanna protect you and leave you trapped inside your skin. Pretending not to be what you wanna be. Well, you were the lone star, and they left you there where you fell. Another distraction, another coin in the wishing well. They're gonna ignore you, tell you to keep those thoughts inside, and then they'll forget you, and you'll always wonder if you even try. I wanna breathe and clear my head, and I wanna lay down and die here in my bed. I wanna take you, I wanna smile and set you free. I want to repay you by showing you how you don't have to be. Holding back and pretending not to be what you wanna be, what you wanna be. Holding back and pretending not to be what you wanna be, what you wanna be. Holding back and pretending not to be what you wanna be, what you wanna be. Holding back and pretending not to be what you wanna be, what you wanna be.